Today we're looking at a couple of pickleball paddles sent to me from Iaposo. They sent them out to me to do a quick review and show you about these two different paddles that I received. Stay tuned, stay with me. I'm going to go on the court. We're going to play some pickleball in a few minutes, so just stick with me right now. We'll just do a quick look at the paddles. So what they sent me was two paddles, and each paddle comes in a beautiful, actually, carrying case. I like this carrying case very much. It's waterproof and very, very protective. So let's take this out of here. Let's look at the first one. And the first one is very cool. This is a pink one. And you can see it's all branded right here. This is the front side. This is the back side here. And they're very well made, high quality. And I love the handle on this one. Hopefully you can see the handle in this. It's got a really nice grip on them. So it's got a good grip. It's not going to slip out of your hands. Let's open this one up. And this one I'm going to be using the white one. And the white one is very cool. I want to show you that real quick. This is what it looks like. This side here and this side has a little bit of like the brownish orangey handle on it. Again, good grip on this. I like this quite a bit. This is really nice. Feels really good, and I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. It's got a good weight to it. Pickleball is one of the biggest growing sports in the world, believe it or not. So this is the way to get these nice quality paddles online, and there's a lot of them online, but this one here, I like the colors, honestly. I like the colors, and I like the feel of the handles, and that's really important. The grip, so it doesn't fall out of your hand. I like that quite a bit. All right, let's get to the court.
Okay, guys, so we're on the court here. I'm just going to open this up, and it's nice protective neoprene protection for the paddle. This is the white one, and my wife will have the pink one, and we're going to go on the court. We're going to actually play some pickleball right now. Okay, guys, so we're on the court here, so I want to give you some more information about these pickleball paddles. The material, it's a flex fiberglass surface plus a premium polymer core for exceptional control and power and spin. Really important if you want to control the paddle. It's a very comfortable non-slip grip, sweat absorbent, which is really important, and non-slip, optimum traction for comfort. I only weigh 7.8 ounces, which is lighter, which is really good for beginners. So it's got a really good feel to it. So it's not too heavy, so you don't really wear yourself out. Playing with these paddles, I have to tell you, they were really quite nice to play with, really comfortable. It didn't hurt our hands at all. No vibration. Just really, really comfortable. And we really whacked that ball pretty hard. So all in all, we really enjoyed the experience with these paddles. I definitely highly recommend these, especially for beginners. Even pro, I definitely think these are fantastic. I love them. We were whacking that ball around for about a half an hour and had a great time doing it. So I definitely recommend these paddles. They work great and fantastic control, and just overall experience was great. So I hope you enjoyed the video. It was quick. I wanted to make it important and informative.